This learning is Le'ili Nishmas Broya Bas Chananya, Meseches Demai, Perek Hey, Mishnayos Aleph. Torah min hadmai al hadmai, if someone separated Trumas and Maisrus from one pile of Demai for another pile of Demai, or midmai al havadai, or if someone separated the Trumas and Maisrus from a pile of Demai for another pile which is Vadai, meaning that it's Tevel, that we know for sure the Trumas and Maisrus were not yet separated from it. So the halacha is Truma, the Trumas and Maisrus are Truma. And the reason is, so in the first case, because it's possible that both piles of Demai did not yet have the Trumas and Maisrus separated from them. And a person is allowed to separate from one pile that didn't have the Trumas and Maisrus separated from it for another pile that didn't have the Trumas and Maisrus separated from it. And in the second case, because it's possible that the pile of Demai did not have the Trumas and Maisrus separated from it. And so a person could separate Trumas and Maisrus for it for the pile that is Vade, that is Tevel. However, the halacha is also that V'yachzer v'yitrim, the person has to separate Trumas and Maisrus again from the second pile. And the reason is, in the first case, because it's possible that the first pile of Demai already had the Trumas and Maisrus separated from it, and the second pile of Demai did not yet have the Trumas and Maisrus separated from it. And a person cannot separate Trumas and Maisrus from a pile that already had the Trumas and Maisrus separated from it for a pile that did not. And in the second case, because it's possible that the pile of Demai already had the Trumas and Maisrus separated from it, and so you can't separate from there for a pile of Tevel. The Mishnah continues, Min havadai al hadmai. What if someone separated from the pile of Tevel for the pile of Demai? So here the halacha is Truma, it's Truma, because if the pile of Demai did not yet have the Trumas and Maisrus separated from it, so now the person is separating from the pile of Tevel for it. However, veloi se'achel ad sheyetzi aleh Trumas and Maisrus. The person is not able to eat that Truma until he separates for it, within itself, Trumas and Maisrus. And the reason is because it's possible that the Demai already had the Trumas and Maisrus separated from it. And so when the person separated the Trumas and Maisrus for it from the pile of Vadai, the pile of Tevel, he didn't do anything. It didn't give it the status of Trumas and Maisrus because the pile of Demai already had the Trumas and Maisrus separated from it. And so this is just regular Tevel that needs to have Trumas and Maisrus separated from it.